Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're talking about another Nomadik box, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already, and get over and check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. Over there I have a lot of discount codes. I have some affiliate links. If you would like to help this channel out, you can see all the different companies that I have affiliate links with, and little snippets of videos, so you can get over there and see kind of some behind the scenes stuff about my videos. Anyway, today we're opening up our December Nomadik box. Early release. Nomadik sent me this, disclaimer, Nomadik sent me this to unbox for you guys early so you know what's coming in it. So let's talk about Nomadik first. Let me go to my cheat sheet and we're going to talk about some prices. So it's a subscription box. You can pick 1, 6, or 12 months of the subscription. If you do 1 month, it's $32.95 per month, or single. If you do 6 months, it reduces the price down to $31.25 per month. And if you do 12 months, it breaks it down to $29.99 per month. Cool thing about Nomadik, I mention it in every video, they have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if I open this box and there's something in here that does not work, broken, or I already have one, I can reach out to Nomadik and they will send me a replacement item for free to make sure that I have what I need. So really cool subscription. Now I paid for 6 months last year, did videos on all of those. I'll put a playlist up top. You can go check that out. All those videos are in there. And Nomadik has been sending me some boxes to do more videos with, to show you guys what comes in them. So let's get into it and see what's here. So let me find my knife. So today we're going to be opening this with the Gerber Prybrid X with that little X-Acto knife. Now, if you missed that video, I did a review of it. I'll put a card up top. You can go check that out. This is a cool little EDC retractable X-Acto knife blade. Really sharp and really functional. So let's get this cut. All right. So let's see what we got. Oh, I'm losing stuff. All right. So we have a sticker, Venture into the Unknown. Stick that to the side. And this is our little pamphlet. Keep warm and carry on is the theme for the December box. And it looks like we have 4 items in here. So we have a breakdown of our 4 items. We have some Nomadik tips. Then on the back side, we have a Nomadik challenge and some brand discounts. 20% off, 15% off, and $5 off. So let's see what we got. That cool box. Like I said, they redid these boxes not too long ago. All right. It's a packed box. Let's just go straight on the top. So these have been in a couple boxes. It is the Yuko fire starting kit. So it's the waterproof matches, the 12 hurricane matches, 3 fire starters, and they are really cool, works really well. And we'll go ahead and just open this up and show you. I've got a couple of these. So you just got your striker on the side, and it's got an O-ring gasket here. And there you can see you've got those hurricane matches, that fire tender in there. So you should not have any problem getting a fire started anywhere. So this is a really cool little item. I can't remember how much they retail for, but you can never have enough fire starter gear. I can tell you that. All right, what we got next? Let's see. Let's go here. Oh, got a coffee cup. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Home on the range. United by Blue. Enamel, campfire approved enamel coffee cup. That is pretty nice. This probably won't go camping or hiking with me. This will stay at the house, and this will be definitely getting some use out of that. That is just really cool. 12 ounce. From trail to table, we want a drinkware that's sturdy enough to throw over a fire and handsome enough to display on cabin shelves. So really cool. All right, what else we got? Hiker's Brew Hazy Hiker. Okay, so we get a coffee cup. Might as well get some coffee too. Never heard of this brand. It's called the Venture Pouch. Smooth, chocolatey, hazelnut, Colombian blend, medium. Makes 4 cups of coffee, this little pack. And it's pretty lightweight. So it's kind of like a paper, kind of like an oatmeal pack, a little thicker. So it says on the back that you can actually use this in drip, French press, AeroPress, percolate, pour over, or cowboy style brewing. So we're gonna have to check this out. It is hikersbrewcoffee.com. So yeah, we'll check this out. I like my coffee now. You see my shirt. I like my coffee. That wasn't planned either. That's crazy. All right, and looks like we have one more thing. Uh-oh. This is a good month. Let's get the tags off. Well, if I can. Oh man. So we got a new beanie. Leave it better than you found it. Parks Project. So, all right, so each product that you purchase from this company actually works to protect a park or do some conservation projects. So awesome. And it comes with a sticker. It's called the Parks Project. This is a nice beanie. Absolutely love this. I love my beanies. We got a Nomadik beanie in one of the first boxes that I got. Had a beanie in it, and I absolutely love it. So you can see here, this is a blue one, Parks Project. Got their label, their logo on that. Let's see what it's made out of. 100% acrylic. It's made in China, but it's one that's warm. It is warm. Awesome box this month. Definitely an awesome box. We've got a beanie, a coffee cup, new coffee to try out. You can't go wrong with coffee and beanies. This is a good month. So, as always, I will try my best to find these items and put them in the description below. So if you just want to go over and give this company a little bit of love and make the purchase, you'll be able to do that. Now, I'm not affiliates with any of these, never heard of any of these companies. So we're gonna definitely have to check this out and try this coffee out. But we'll put links in everything down there. Plus, I'll try to find the prices. If I can find these products for purchase, I'll do a tally on the price. That way we know what this box is valued at. Now, Nomadik says that it's no less than a $50 value. So I bet that that beanie and that this cup are not cheap. I'm just saying. It might not be $50 worth, but I'm just saying that it's a good month. It's a really good month. So that's all we got today. Make sure to check out that playlist with the other Nomadik unboxings if you are interested in that. I am an affiliate for Nomadik, so the link down below that takes you to Nomadik if you're interested in making a purchase. I do get a little bit of commission from that sale if you do make a subscription or sign up for a subscription. Not much, but I do get a little bit. All that money does go back into the channel to help this channel grow. and purchase things to review for you guys. So that's it. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.